Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can install 3600 fonts in your pixel app. First of all, if you don't have the link to download the 3600 font, just notify me that I will send the link to you. But if in case you already have the font, you should download a raw application. For instance, you should download ZArchiver. Go to your Google Play Store and download this app. After downloading the app, you click open. Okay, now for me, I installed the 3600 fonts in this folder, font folder. You create a folder where you will put the font inside. So this is it. This is how it will appear when you download. This is how the font will appear. Now you have to tap on it. Yeah, this page will display. So you click on extract here. When you click on extract here, then all the files will be placed in this folder. Yeah, okay, so when you have arrived at this stage, you pause here and you log onto the pixel app. Okay, now in your pixel app, you click the font tab, fonts. Now you go to my font. Originally in your own, nothing will display here. No font will display here. The reason why I have this is because I've already installed mine. Now you click, when you look a little bit above the font, you will see two tabs, two images, two folder icons. Yeah, you click on the one by your right. Yeah, you click on that one. When you click on it, yeah, it will take you to your gallery. So you scroll and open the folder in which your fonts will be installed. So I installed mine. I saved my fonts in the font folder. Yeah, so I click the font folder. Then after clicking, you see I will see the font 365 font. Then now we click add directory below. Yeah, will take me direct to this page, and that is all. The process is done. Thanks for watching.